Hello again. This is a really quick one just to show you how points are scored. I know it's all explained in the scoring link, but it is quite complicated. The scoring here isn't like most other games that are quite binary. A lot of thought has been put into this, and therefore, if you're unsure, please keep watching because this will explain how the points have been scored in week one. I've chosen this chap's scores. Cristiano Waylando scores. He came third this week, and the reason I've chosen him is because he's got a bit of everything in his scores, and it will give you the best example. I'm sure he won't mind. Let's just start off here with what I call spot-ons. Now, spot-on is what it says, obviously. He's basically got 4 of them here. Now, a home spot-on is worth 40 points. There's one there. Bournemouth 2, Cardiff 0. An away spot on is worth 50 points. Newcastle Tottenham, for example, he got 2-1 to Tottenham, so he gets 50 points for that. A draw is also worth 50 points, and that's why he got 50 for Southampton v Burnley, a very good 0-0. For Wolves Everton, he got 60 points. Now, you're probably wondering why there are 10 extra. That's because that's a super spot on. In other words, there were more than 3 goals, and because the 4th goal is worth an extra 10 points, he gets the 50 for the draw, but a 10-point bonus. So hence a super spot on there worth 60. The only other super spot on this week was Liverpool's 4-0 win over West Ham, which was also worth a 10-point bonus, and that actually came to 50 points if you had it. Elsewhere, you can see away from home here, he got 27 points. For Arsenal Man City, that's because he got the 30 points for being correct, not spot on, correct, but lost 3 points because he was 1 goal out. Okay, so 27 points. Similarly, Huddersfield Chelsea, again, he got the 30 points, but he was 2 goals out, so that becomes 24. If you look at home results, he got to Liverpool West Ham 20 points for being correct there. But he was 2 goals out, so that becomes 14. And Manchester United Leicester, he got 20 points there and a goal out, so that becomes 17. Why is it 37? Because he got the bonus team. It was Man United, it was worth 20 points, and so that 17 becomes 37. He also picked up a couple of minuses, pretty self-explanatory. He got that result wrong. He was 2 goals out, so he gets 0 points. -6, and the same here. Watford v Brighton, he had 1-1. He was 2 goals wrong. That's -6 as well. So I just wanted to sort of explain that to you. I know it's a bit complicated. You'll get used to it. That's how the scoring works. One other thing I wanted to show you was that if you look at the tables, and you'll see that in his case, you'll see that 20 points he got for the Man United bonus. Obviously, there's a logo there. It's in brackets, which means it's included in the 290. It doesn't mean he's got 290 and another 20 more. It means that the 20 is included in the 290. I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. Good luck in week 2. Cheers.